Don't do it. There's fucking border patrol. Hey, don't do it, bro. They're gonna call ICE. Ah, you get it?
Well, I'm afraid this is turned into something I don't feel that often wanting. I've been trying to fight back these urges, that isn't working. Your name is all in my searches. I think that we've waited long enough. I think that this love feels strong enough. I think I've dealt with your mom enough. I think that I wrote you songs enough. Did what you want enough, turned you on enough. Want you to tell me if this feels wrong to some girl. I want us to get past the basics. I think I know where we can take it. Cause I can show you a few me and you things. I'm really in love with the way your hips and your mood swings. It makes it all the better when we making up. And we can do it all again while you waking up.
Girl, we can be going out.
Chilling over here. Oh shit! My guy! Help! You scared me, bro.
Right now my head is a mess. Thinking about you got me stressed, but you could probably care less. You're just so hard to impress. Every time that we go out, you do something to show out. Played the fool, but I know now. I always worry about you. I only tell you the truth. I'm not like those other girls. I don't be acting brand new. Oh, every time that we go out, you do something to show out. Played the fool, but I know now. It could be US. There's so many letters, but it's only you, only you, only you, only you.
Ew. That motherfucker right there is just throwing snow. Oh yeah. Damn, look at that glare next to him too. Ugly. Always ruining my shots.
Like a spotlight, the water hits me. Rated extra cold to shake the words from my mouth. Though I know that no one's listening, I nervously rehearse for when you're around. And I keep waiting like you might change my mind.
Oh, I went forward! Damn it!
I was recording you.
Oh, you got me? You got me?
I don't know.
Let's get it, boom. 2 + 2.
Yeah, but that, look.
He's recording you.
Hey man, this is my good side though. You want to switch real quick?
What side?
This side right here.
I don't see any sign.
But you got the cross on this side.
Because I gotta do it. That's the distraction from the other side.
Oh!
1, 2, 3. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again. See, my confidence is shaking and my heart is feeling vacant, so you try to fill it in. You said I could fix the broken in your heart. You would say then, darling. But I don't know why you're shooting in the dark. I got faith in nothing. But love, pray for me. I never had somebody, so I don't know how to love. Pray for me. I know I need somebody, so I can learn how to love. How to love. I know it's been a while, cause my memory's on trial for the way I used to be. My head is running miles, round in circles, and I try to find a lead to light in me. You said I could fix the broken in your heart. You would say then, darling. But I don't know why you're shooting in the...
You ready, bro? Yeah.
You're the worst sharpshooter on
Oh
earth.
shit! I'm gonna show her this.
Dude, I'm so mad.
No, wait, no. Breeze. You're such a bro. You're the fucking worst bear in the world,
fucking
bro.
worst person ever.
You're
bro.
like the
doing
worst,
great.
dude.
Yeah, you fucking suck,
Yeah, dude, you're an asshole.
You're so bad.
On our way to talk some mad shit.
For sure. We're just wondering. Cause it's like, we don't know how thick the glass is.
Hey, bro, you're an asshole. Oh shit, he can hear us. You're so bad, bro. You are so ugly, dog.
You're the worst at Mafia. You're so bad at Mafia.
Oh my god.
It's so bad.
Like why?
You too, bro. It's
Why? You
I
have
hate you.
horrible eyebrows. Like just
the worst.
horrible eyebrows.
You're the worst.
Like the worst. I'm about to hop the border.
Where do you think you're going, mister?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here.
What are you doing?
Would you double tap with the chin?
What the hell? Are you trying to like an Instagram post or something? You giving it a CPR?
I'm gonna change it now.
Huh? What the what's it smell like? Smell like chicken? Like soup? What's he saying? He's looking up ice skating videos while ice skating.
Just one chance. Lady, I love you, and I just wanna show you. From the way you touch me and kiss me to the sparkle in your eye. Oh, how I love you. I just feel so lost without you. With my love and intuition, you'll never have to say goodbye. Yeah, got me singing that I need you desperately. There's no reason that you got to question me.